This article provides guidance on viewing and analyzing responses gathered from your funnel. You will discover how to access essential metrics, detailed reports, and export data for further analysis. In the funnel, located in the top right bar, you can view the responses. This page provides all the relevant analytics. You will find a summary first that includes key metrics such as conversion rate, completion rate, average time, average outcome point, average score, and email open rate. You can view the outcome results distribution and a summary of responses to all the questions you posed in the funnel, as illustrated in this example. Then we find the detailed metrics. This graphic illustrates the conversion funnel, showing visits, seats, all submissions, completed ones, and leads collected. Additionally, you can view the breakdown by device type, country, and the most visited embeds, as well as drop-off rates. The third one, you have the responses. From here, you can find all submissions, the completed ones, and you can also see partial ones. If you would like to view specific responses, simply click on one of the completed entries. On the right side, you will find all relevant information. You can access personal data, review the questions along with their corresponding responses, and see the result, which includes the outcome page. Additionally, if there were any other coupon codes, you can view the activated workflow, any associated emails, all metadata, and details about any connected integrations. Then the fourth one is the personal data. From here, you can access the personal data collected. Click here. By clicking on the right eye, you can revisit the submissions and access all the information related to the funnel response. In payments, it would be accessible if we had collected a payment within the funnel, which was not the case. Additionally, we have AI insights. Essentially, you can generate a report containing all the submissions. The final section covers data export. From this point, you can download the data report. You have the option to select the date range for export and request either an XLS or CSV format for further analysis. And that's it. This article has guided you through viewing and analyzing funnel responses, accessing detailed metrics, personal data, and exporting reports. For more information, explore related articles on funnel analytics and data management.